A covered cistern with filtration and a dosing pump is the most practical way to store and dose greywater from a tiny house into a septic-compatible subsurface drip system. For a tiny house with intermittent irrigation demand and low flows, you should size a covered cistern to hold no more than a few days of typical greywater production to avoid anaerobic odors and pathogen growth. Use a simple 3-stage filtration approach. Coarse screen at the inlet to trap hair and large debris, a sediment pre-filter like a 1/4-inch mesh or cartridge, and a fine filter of 5 to 20 microns before the pump to protect the dosing valve and drip tubing. Install a rotary or peristaltic dosing pump with an adjustable stroke or speed so you can meter small volumes accurately into a subsurface drip line during irrigation windows. Set the pump to deliver small pulses rather than long runs to avoid emitter clogging. Add ultraviolet light or a small timed chlorine feed after filtration but before dosing when pathogens are a concern, and monitor residual disinfectant carefully so you do not damage soil biology if the water reaches the drain field. Place the cistern under cover and ventilated with an activated carbon or biological filter if needed to limit odors, and keep storage time under 72 hours whenever possible to minimize bacterial regrowth and surfactants concentrating. Always use subsurface drip only for reuse. Avoid any spray or surface irrigation to prevent human contact with greywater. Common mistakes are oversizing storage, which causes stagnation and odors, so keep capacity limited to match a few days of expected flow and incorporate automatic overflow to the septic or approved disposal. Another frequent error is inadequate filtration and pump selection leading to clogs. Choose a fine filter rated for the smallest emitter you plan to use and a dosing pump designed for low-flow metering and solids handling where appropriate. A third issue is neglecting pathogen control and local code compliance. Add ultraviolet or measured chlorine dosing, and confirm local regulations and setbacks before commissioning the system so you do not create liability or require expensive retrofits. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors for projects like greywater cisterns and dosing systems. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share practical tips and homeowners and contractors can exchange real-world experiences.